This is Kushagra Pandey. I work as a software engineer here at Kanerika. I joined the organization in January 23. I was a campus recruit. I was doing my post-graduation at NIT Jamshedpur. The campus recruitment process was amazing. We had step-by-step, very streamlined process. While onboarding here, it was a month-long training, very very well planned out, and we regularly had sessions from different leads and heads of different departments, which made us understand what projects the organization is working on and what technologies are really focused on here. It also made us, in this process of meeting all these leads and heads of departments, we got to know them as well. So that gave us a feeling of belonging here and knowing a lot of these people. I've been working as part of my work. I worked on AI, automation, and Java backend now. I've worked on a lot of challenging projects, and it helps. If you want to learn and grow, you need to be working on very challenging projects. And we have a lot of smart, hardworking, and good people. It helps because if you want to learn and grow, of course, you need smart and hardworking people, and also good, as it helps. If you're good, it helps to communicate if you want to ask questions. We also have an open door policy here. If you want to talk to the lead of a backend team, you can go and talk to them, solve any issues you have. DevOps, go to them, solve any issues you have. So it really helps to learn and keep on growing. If you're starting a career, I think these strategies and this kind of a work culture really helps. As to the future in the organization, I'm really looking forward to keep on working on challenging projects and working with smart and good